Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome. Based on your requests, today we'll see how to light up a zero structure. We're lighting up the shelves of our zero structure in a quick and easy way. Let's take a look at the elements needed for installation. For the lighting fixture, let's choose a LINX profile and a COB strip. For the wiring, there are two options, an individual cable for each shelf, or our special cascading set, which is a line that branches off at each shelf. Of course, a transformer, a cable management profile to hide the cables running up. And to finish, our Lynx W profile in anodized black, along with its white diffuser, lets us create a minimalist visual impact in an easy, quick, and affordable way. Simple and quick installation. The transformer, connected to the power supply, is hidden according to our setup in the best possible spot. In this case, we're going to use 3 cables, one for each shelf individual cables that will be connected to the transformer. They'll run inside the cable management profile and come out at the height of each shelf so we can insert them into our surface-mounted profile. Remember, this would be the part that faces the wall and stays hidden. In this case, what we have here is the cascading mounting profile. Here, on one side, we would have the single cable that goes to the transformer. How it goes up through here, how it comes out for the first shelf, how it's connected to the next strip of cable in cascade, how it comes out for the second shelf, and here we can see how we could keep going up if we had more shelves and install another shelf in cascade. Finally, remember that the cable would come in, go up through the cable duct, and come out where we would have the shelf. The cable would come out through here. This little piece, remember to cover it with black tape or use black heat shrink, okay? To hide it as much as possible, remember that the shelf would be here, so it would cover it. And this is always the inside-facing part, okay? We would connect it to the transformer at the end. As you can see, here we have the light, okay? And finally, we would add the LINX profile to give us this effect. And look how beautiful it would turn out. Transformer hidden in the bottom shelf below. The cables run up along the profile. Keep in mind that they're not hidden so you can see them. Later, we'll hide them as best as possible. Take a look at how it looks now. You can't see the cables. And how this light fixture is perfectly integrated with our zero shelf. Finally, here's a shot of our finished zero structure with backlighting and illuminated shelves. See you in the next videos. See you soon.